So what's going on, guys? Today just another happy day, man. Today I'm feeling so excited. As you guys know, we are on this journey starting with zero in funded capital all the way to 1 million in funded capital. Right now I can tell you that we have now reached 10k in funded capital, man. But it was not easy. There was a whole lot of things that happened, man. A whole lot of crazy things that was happening. I almost even lost the account. Yeah, like I almost lost the account. You know, we did our thing, and as usual, we killed it. So I'm going to be taking you, through the whole process and, showing you all what happened. It's going to be a very insightful video. I'm sure you're going to learn a lot from this video, okay? So let's go. As you guys can see, we have reached the profit target 100%. The win rate is kind of low today, honestly, because so many things happen. But let's just get down into it so I can show you what already happened. This is how things got really messy. But I'm going to go through all these trades. What happened? Trust me, it's a lot. It's a lot that went wrong here. It's a lot that happened that I just want to show you guys, and maybe this can also help you if you are been struggling with this kind of an issue. What I did, you understand? So that can help you. As you guys can see, the very first trade we took, bro, the market just took us out. Like it just came and took us out, which was something crazy. Usually this is how we trade with my guys. This is just how I trade. I just take one trade a day, and I trade only gold XAU USD, and I only trade within the New York session. So that's just how I do my thing, and trust me, it's been working for me. This was the first day we took this trade right here. As you guys can see, the market was not just going well with us, and yeah, we took a loss on this trade. Let me just show you this trade bit on the chart so you can see. Okay, as you guys can see right now, we are in we're already making some decent amount of profit. Everything's going well though, but yeah, the market just misbehave like sometimes they usually do, and yeah, and this trade took us out. So looking here, this was the trade. This trade right here, there was the very first trade we took. So the market, came into our zone. Like this, like a no-brainer trade for me, because this level right here was in between our 50 and 60 retracement on our Fibonacci 2, and we took this trade from the 61% level right here. And we held on to the trade. As you can see, the moment market came in here, it grabbed liquidity and trying to pull up. But things that happened for the worst, and the market just came and it just took us out like that, which was crazy. So now we lost 1.5% or whatever that day, which was something else, man. And then the next day we came back on the chart stronger, feeling confident and all that. Took another trade and boy, the market just took her out again, man. And at this point, it was losing like 3%, bro. We're down like 3%, So I was feeling kind of like chill. I was still chill, actually. I was still chill when we took this trade. And then the next day, got into the market. And bro, the market just wiped us out again, bro. So at the time, like it was like 3 days in a row just losing back to back. That was crazy. Even at that moment now, like I was kind of thinking like, whoa, now I'm in like 4% drawdown. And for Blue Guardian, the overall drawdown is 8%. So once you reach 8%, which means you have breached the rule, that's just it. So at the point now, I'm only left with 4% because I'm 4% down already. So just remaining 4% to blow the entire account. And the profit target for this account was just 4%. And now I'm just 3 days in, starting the challenge, I'm already down 4%. So that was crazy, But I was like, okay, Let's just see, because I just want to take one good trade. That was one thing I was telling myself. You just need to take one good trade and we'll be back at break even, because that is one of my edge in my strategy. My risk to reward ratio is kind of okay. That's one of my edge. So you just need to identify what make you stand out in the market, what gave you that extra advantage in your trading, and you can leverage on that a whole lot to help you. You understand? Like usually I risk 1% per trade, sometimes 1.5% if the setup is kind of like really nice. Yeah, so that was it. That day I was just risking my 1% and the market came and took me out. Fine. We'll move on. The next day, got into the market. I don't know what happened here, but got in the market will make 3%. You understand? So now you see, I was down 4%, and now I took a trade. Bam. I'm at 3%. So, that was kind of okay, actually. That was kind of okay. And I was feeling kind of positive at this point. Like, I was like, yeah, man, we just need to get another winning trend, then we'll be in profit. We'll be, those kind of a thing. So that was what going on in my mind. And then, bro, the next day I came on the chat, the market just took me out again, man. Like, at this point, bro, like, I was like, but what is happening? You understand? Like, what really is going on? Because I was not really understanding what was happening. But, at the same time, I was just chill because I was doing everything that was in my playlist, that was in my strategy, So let me just show you some of the trades that I lost on so you can see what really happened. As you can see, this was the setup right here. You understand? The market came to this level right here, and then it gave us, a good bullish candle. I was like, okay, so which means this zone now is a good zone. You understand? So this zone was now strong. Overall, there was the zone I was targeting because this zone right here was, is very strong liquidity area for market to pull into. So I was just looking at this zone. That's why I mapped out this entire zone, and I was like, okay, but I'm seeing something here. So I will take the trade from here. So I enter in the trade, and everything was looking nice. I was even making profit on this trade. That's the funny thing. The market just came and just do a thing. But I was still in the trade though. Let me show you on my account. So at that time, we're already down. We're down like a whole lot, bro. After I make that 3% gain, we went up a bit. You understand? But you see, I was already in profit on this trade. Like all this up and down, we're in some kind of profit though. Let me just show you the outcome of this trade so you can see for yourself. This was what happened, man. Crazy. The level that I was talking that the market was going to tap into, as you can see, the market just came and tapped into this level. There was where I should have entered. They was supposed to be my entry point. When I do my whole setup, there was the level I was targeting that day, that the market will pull into this level and I will take my trade. As you can see, the market just came tap here, and for now it start pulling to the upside. So the next trade just came, it went up, came down, and then it took me out. Took me out just like that. And it was kind of crazy though. But let's come back here. Yeah, I was kind of sad though. So I was like, okay, we just need to get another good trade and then we'll be up. Okay, so that was just all that was in my head. The next day we came on the chart, and then we took this trade right here, and then it was a loss again. At this point, I was like, but what is really happening with the market these days? It was kind of a tough situation here because I don't love to be trading like this when I'm just, up and down, in between, So I was like, okay, no problem. I just need one good trade. I'll be at break even. That's just what was in my head. I just need one good trade because I know even if I'm taking losses, but once I make one good trade, I'll make like 3%, 4%, 5%. So that was just in my head, like, okay, I just need to get one good trade. The next day I came, bam, bro, we make $500, man. And still risking my same 1%. As you can see, my lot sizes is still consistent, 0.2 throughout, 0.2. That's just it. So enter my same 0.2, and this time I make $500. So I made like 5%. So at this point, I was above break even now. Like I think I was having like $100 profit or something around that. So I was like, yeah, man, I was kind of happy, I was really excited. That's just one thing I've been talking about. So one of the things you want to be doing is you want to find your edge. For me, I realized that my edge is my risk to reward ratio. So that's one of the things that have been helping me within my trading. So even if I take a couple of losses, I'm just chilling because I know that at the end of the day, I just need one good trade. That's just it. One good trade, I will cover most of my losses. So I make this 500 and I was feeling so positive, man. The 500 just, gave me some kind of energy. So the next day, got into the market and bro, the market took us out again. It was kind of funny though, but I was still feeling cool. I was like, okay, no problem. Like, we're still pushing. Next day again, bam, the market took me out. But I was still chilling, you understand? So what I realized that I will always make 1:1 because I was like, okay, maybe I'm in my losing streak because it happens, Sometimes you'll be on a winning streak, you'll be winning back to back like crazy. But then sometimes, you just enter into a losing streak. That's why in trading, losing is normal. Like losing is all part of the game in trading. That's just it. You're gonna lose. Like you will lose, but the only thing you need to put in mind is that win more and lose less. That's just it. So usually if I'm in a losing streak, what I do is that so that I don't have so much crazy losses, whenever the market gives me 1:1, I go break even on my trade. Because whenever I'm trading, the market will always give me 1:1. That's what I was seeing. That the market will give me 1:1, I will not put break even and the market will come reverse and hit me out. So I was like, okay, since now I'm kind of losing quite a lot, so like let me now, start to apply my break even rule. So the next day I came on the chart, I applied my break even rule. The moment the market gave me 1:1, I put my break even and the market came and it took me out, hit my break even, and I just made $12, which was nothing, like just $12. And yeah, and that saved me because that day the market actually was going to wipe out my stop loss if I was not going to put break even. So that helped me that day. And yeah, and all these trades that you're seeing, they are all break even trades. Even this one right here, placed my break even, the market came, took me out of break even, and that was good. How much did I lose? Nothing. So just $9, which is relatively nothing. So I was chilling. After that, I took another positive trade, man. Slam 200. So at this point now, like I was, feeling kind of great. I was like, okay, I'm back at break even and I'll make $100 profit. Because at this stage right here, I already in 100 in profit on the account. The next day, there was a trade that we took. And I recorded this trade. Let me show you this trade. So this was the trade right here. There was the final kill. I called it the final kill. The market was playing kind of nice. I saw this kind of setup, and yeah. So I entered the market from this point right here. When the market gave me this, this bullish closure, 30-minute close, another 30 minutes, above this area right here. So I was like, okay. Once the market come back to retest this point, I was going to enter and give it the kill shot. So I was patient, all these things were happening, this and that. Like I was just chilling. That's why patience is really important when it comes to trading. As you can see right here, we're already in the trade and we're making $183 already on this trade. And as you can see from the balance, we're already having $100 profit in the account. I know that, okay, I just need to catch a 1:3 trade and I will be done with this account, with this challenge. So that was my whole target, a 1:3 trade. That's it. And that's just the normal trades I take. Let me show you the outcome of this trade. As you can see right here, the market was playing out and we're like already in, almost hitting our profit target. And the market was almost to our TP. So I was just chilling, waiting for it to happen. Boom, my TP was smashed and we're already in profit and we have reached the profit target on this account. So that was the kill shot. Yeah, man, this challenge, it was, man, That was the hardest challenge so far on this journey I was doing. It was the hardest. Like always, we just kill it like that. Like sometimes we pass a challenge in just 3 days. Sometimes we pass a challenge in just 3 trades. But this one, bro, this one, this one was a struggle, man. But we did it anyways. And the good thing is that I was doing all of this with my team. That's just what we do at the PackFX. Let me just show you a bit. I was taking the trades with my guys. We all trade together. So if you want to learn how to trade, I also teach my guys, and they are learning. And yeah, we do this for free. That's the good thing. So if you want to be part of us, I'll leave the link in the description. You just go to the PackFX Telegram community, and you be part of us, man. Trade together, we make profit together. So as you can see, even that day, my guys, they were making profit. They were killing it with me as well. My guy Reno make $40 that day, and Reno is just started a trading journey, and yeah, the guy's been doing well. Some of my guys like Hassan, Slicks, and and we have new guys that has joined us recently, so it's been good. Like we are growing, like the community is growing. So that just said, if you want to be part of us, you can come and join us. We trade together. If you need any understanding on how to trade, I'll also be free to help you with your trading journey. So that is it for today, guys. So hit that like button. I know you haven't subscribed, man. Just hit that like and that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.